Enough. Make it hot na. Oil and put the garlic.
Okay now?
Yeah. Don't touch the pan. Okay.
Now choy.
No. Ham. Okay.
Choy.
Later. Get golden brown.
When it melts the garlic.
If you see the garlic is a little bit brown, you can put the choy. Do you want to close the door first, please? Come on, go. No, the other one. That one. So big. No, that one. The big one. The big one. Come on. That one. See the smell that go there. Mama don't like the smell. No, this one. Go. Die. Here. Where you go?
Okay.
All. Put all. You put all na. Put all. You do like this. Put all. Come on. Put more Okay. Then put that one. Yeah, very good. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Why?
The fire.
And then
That's hot. Now do that. Finish.
okay, you put this one. Here, this way. One. Put here.
One